the sun. I like to take a bath with my pen. Especially, I like to on my toes.
Nacho, what are you doing? What are you doing here in the bathtub?
Oh yeah, just drinking my leftover drink. Today we're gonna make a paintbrush.
Hello friends! Today we're going to draw a paintbrush, so let's start with making a line from left to right and turn that line into a rectangle. Next we'll draw another rectangle under this one and make it slightly smaller. Make a small mark underneath to help us make a trapezoid. And then we're going to go out and down. And then the right side, arc, out and down. And then make it a little longer and make the point, the end of the point. Next, let's draw 6 diagonal lines. And these will be stripes on the handle. Right now, I'm shading inside. And that's where you color lightly. But remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to draw the bristles. Yeah, you like the bristles, Nacho. I draw one side longer than the other. And then I'm making an angle go across. And then I will fill in that shape with a bunch of close lines. Now we're going to outline with Sharpie. We're going to make a shadow for our paintbrush. So take your pencil and we're going to make these small little lines, lightly color it. Use a paper towel to spread and smudge your pencil. This will make it look like a soft shadow. Alright, so we got watercolors, and as you can hear, Nacho's busy drinking some water. He loves water.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm taking some blue, and I put a lot of water in it. And I'm gonna tap it on my finger. It's gonna leave some splatters. What do you think of these splatters?
Great.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit more. I wanna make sure that the watercolor is very watery. Okay, I'm cleaning out my brush with a paper towel, and I'm gonna get a second color. This time, I want to get some red. Nacho, what's your favorite color? Red or blue?
Blue. I know.
And there you go, everyone. We're done with our paintbrush project.
Thanks for watching. Did you like today's video? Please typing the like button. And please subscribe. Bye friends. Hey guys, want to see a teleportation trick that I've been working on? Watch this. Mm-hmm. Roku. Yeah, it's really dark right here, but it's amazing here. I know. Maybe those. Look, a free movie. Come on. Let's go inside there. Wow, it's really dark in this movie. Super dark in this movie theater. Come on. Let's see what great movies they have. The movie of the dark tree. Let's get out of here. I don't like this. Whoa. You must have gone a long way. Well, bye-bye. Yeah, free.